Imagine opening Excel, clicking one button, and your entire report updates automatically. This is exactly what Power Query can do for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to auto-generate Excel reports using Power Query. Okay, let's get started. Before using Power Query, let's look at our example dataset. Imagine you work in a company sales department and every month you receive a file like this. Your manager wants a monthly report showing total sales by region and product. The problem? Every month new data arrives, and you have to rebuild the report again. Instead, we'll use Power Query to automate the entire process. Many Excel users ask this question: if pivot tables can summarize data, why should we use Power Query? The answer is simple. Pivot tables summarize data, but Power Query prepares and automates data. First, select any cell inside your dataset. Then go to Data, under Get and Transform, select from Table Range. If Excel asks whether your data has headers, choose My Table as Headers, then click OK. Now Excel opens the Power Query editor. This is where we clean and transform data automatically. Inside Power Query, we can quickly clean messy data. For example, remove unnecessary columns like salesperson. To do this, select the column, then right-click, and remove. Next, make sure the date column is formatted correctly. Click the column, go to Transform, and change data type to Date. Every step you perform is recorded on the right side under Applied Steps. This means Excel will repeat these steps automatically whenever new data arrives. Now let's turn our raw data into a clean summary report. At the top of the Power Query editor, go to the Transform tab. Then click Group By. This tool allows Excel to summarize data automatically, similar to a pivot table. When the Group By window opens, you'll see two options: Basic and Advanced. Select Advanced. This allows us to group data using multiple fields. Now we need to tell Excel how to organize the report. Under Group By, select first column to region. Click Add Grouping. Choose the second column to product. So the report will show sales totals for each region and each product. Next, we need to tell Excel what calculation to perform. In the new column name box, type Total Sales. In the Operation drop-down, select Sum. Then choose the column to Amount. This tells Power Query, add up all the sales amounts for each region and product combination. Now click OK. Power Query will instantly create a new summarized table. Your report will look something like this. This is now a clean summary report. Now let's send the report back to Excel. Click Home, then Close and Load. Excel creates a new sheet with the summarized report. And here's the powerful part. When new sales data arrives next month, you don't rebuild the report. Just go to Data, and click Refresh. And Excel updates everything automatically. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. And if you want to see more Power Query tutorials, let me know in the comments below.